Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the job diary to manage job assignment and employees. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, click on the Settings tab to the right of the screen, then the Employees tab to view your current list of employees. To add an employee to the list, click on the New Employee button, type in the relevant information such as name, email address, username and password. Then select the access level which best suits their position in your business. Click on the Save button to add the new employee to the list. Click on the Jobs tab at the top of the screen to see the list of current jobs where the allocations are also displayed. From here you can select a current job and assign a mechanic to do this job. Click on the Mechanics field to reveal a field in which you can assign mechanics. Click on Save when you are done. To assign employees to a new job, click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Input your customer details and select your customer and vehicle from the recommendations on the right. Note the Assign button to again reveal the field in which you can assign mechanics. Note the Show Schedule button for ready access to the diary to review the current workload of each employee. This can serve as a useful tool for efficient job allocation. Click on the Save button to return to the job details, which now includes allocated employees. To see an overview of job allocation, click on the Diary tab and the current week will be displayed. Note the color coding used for bookings, current jobs and finished jobs. Note the diary features a filter that can be used to filter out specific employees or finished jobs like so. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.